Hi, I'm going to show you how to value stocks without dividends. This was going to be today's lecture, but Mother Nature had some different plans, so I've got a couple videos I'm going to show. I'm going to show one on earnings per share and the PE ratio. I'm going to show one on the price to sales ratio, and I'll also show one on the dividend payout ratio. Okay, this one's on price earnings ratio. So again, you got a company that doesn't pay dividends. How are you going to value it? Different ways we can do that. We've got the price earnings method, which I'll show you in this video. We've got a price to sales method, which I'll show in a different video. Okay. Both use something called industry benchmarks. Basically what that is analysts go out and they look at a bunch of different companies all over the world, and they group them in industries. So in software development, you might have a Google, an Apple, an Oracle, Salesforce.com, something like that. And they look at benchmarking the relationship between their price and their earnings. Okay, so the PE ratio, one of the most commonly used ratios you'll see in finance and in the markets. It's a historical measure of the company's performance, sometimes called the multiple, because you'll see we multiply this PE ratio by something to get another value. You can use it to compare the company against its prior record or to other companies in like businesses. And also you can use it to project the share price, which is what we're going to do in this example. Okay, easily calculated. Price per earnings, right? Price per share over the earnings. That'll give you your PE. And the earnings per share is simply your revenue minus cost, sometimes called profit, over the number of shares outstanding. So at any point in year T, you can find the price by using this benchmark PE ratio times the earning per share of the company. Okay, so let's do an example. Company that does not pay dividends. They've got a benchmark PE in their industry is 35. The benchmark price to sales ratio is 10. You're expecting sales of 1.2 million, expenses of 850,000, and there's 115,000 shares outstanding. What's the target price? You say, I don't know. You didn't tell me. Well, hopefully this example will show you how to do that. Okay, so let's solve the equation. Earnings per share equals our sales minus expenses divided by our shares. Okay? Those are our variables. You get an EPS for this company of 3.04. Okay? We're getting closer, but we're not there yet. So the price is that benchmark PE, which remember is 35, multiplied by the earnings per share, which we just solved, and that gives you a price of $106.40.